Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine first name and a last name in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel, and as you can see, I have prepared my data, and then I'm going to show you how we can combine the first name and last name. First of all, we need to manually type in the first name and last name like this. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, and you can select all of the rows you have, and you can simply click on Control and E on your keyboard like this. And as you can see that the full name have been created automatically. And then if you have first name, middle name, and last name, you just need to do the same. You can manually type in the full name, and then you can select the rows like this and tap on Control and E at the same time. Okay guys, and that's all the way to combine first name and last name in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!